Yes! Hello, my friends, my fond days.
Back for round 2.
Someone clap. Oh, yes! Oh, well done! It's bake-off too!
This week, the bakers have been tasked with creating a dish which is suitable for human consumption. This is the only requirement for this competition, so it shouldn't be too difficult. They have first been asked to shop for the ingredients necessary to create their individual dishes.
Strawberry shortcake. But it's not a girly thing, and I'm going to set it on fire. A gun, the tanks, and the strawberry.
Pre-planning.
Maturity levels are very high, and the bakers are taking the competition very seriously. The pressure is already starting to get to them.
Have we actually got permission to film now? I'm confused.
I think we do. I think we do.
Do we?
I don't know. I'm going to do it anyway.
Having successfully purchased all of the items necessary for their dishes, spirits are high in the bakers as they return to the bake-off tent. The high diversity and varying volumes of the ingredients the bakers have chosen to use are clearly on display here. Each of them has chosen to make a very unique and different dish from one another, which should make for a very interesting competition.
Good luck, guys. Bye. Alright, I'm gonna eat my cake.
I didn't make that.
Yeah. Everyone's coming for fighting. Roll that pastry!
Back to the Pacific.
What are you making today?
Today I'm making an apple pie. Apple fry. I'm making an apple pie.
An apple fry?
I meant an apple pie thing.
Oh yeah, last year.
You were saying.
Guys, I was really tempted to bring Guitar Hero with me because there's a 5 seconds of song solo.
Can I just point out, right, guys? You say I'm not obsessed with
There we go.
This is what you're saying.
Here we go.
We have Dappy as well. Who?
Whoa!
Dappy. Oh, Dappy. Okay. No one likes your music. This is my only song of 5 seconds of summer. Probably right.
Friendly arguments have started to break out in the bake-off tent. Clearly the pressure is starting to build.
Mr. Boys, what are your opinions on all the food being made here today?
Oh well. Unfortunately, I think it's really unfair for Ben and the
Very
town.
bad strawberry.
A bad strawberry, that's not
Very
a good
bad.
sign, that's not a good sign.
That's just, I've already eaten one of the bad strawberries.
Yeah. So,
Okay,
wait,
don't feel that later on.
so,
Good
you,
strawberry.
so you eat it?
So you got your food.
Hello. It's going to the bin. Cheers.
What are you making? Please tell me.
If push comes to shove, I'll run the shop.
I feel like this is memories from last year.
Memories.
Because
I don't know him.
Back to the street where we
no,
live
no,
again.
tell me. I just don't understand.
Oh,
What you saying,
so
boy?
nothing.
That guy's got
I'm dying. Help me, Ricky, I'm dying.
I did.
Oh, man.
just die, Ginger.
It's April Fool's Day,
I was gonna go.
and a certain adult imagery website has changed their name to Cornhole, and has got lots of videos about corn.
Yeah, they've actually done it.
For example, you can
Oh my God.
now watch Slob on the Corp. Hot young corn gets plowed.
But if you do click on it, will it show
Yes.
videos of corn?
For example, first time Colonel popping.
They had apples over the shop, didn't they?
Yeah.
Do they sell like chicken apples?
I don't think
A 6-minute video of a girl eating corn. Wonderful.
Are the hula hoops part of the rest?
No, do you want one?
Oh yeah.
I'm alright.
Other products are available. Luke, I need to preheat your oven. Okay. Could you preheat it for me? So, I need it to set to.
Okay, done.
Okay, 200 degrees.
I don't know where my cake thing tray has gone, so this will do.
Oh, spillage.
There's a lot of flour.
Oh my god, you have made a mess. What have you been doing?
I'm scared that I've done it wrong.
What?
Chill out.
I don't know. I think I've done
It's
something
not
wrong.
What are you doing?
Jesus Christ.
I've coughed up quite a bit. You see, wait.
Zach laughed.
You know I put that
The
sugar in
sound
there?
on that goes,
That's meant to be
nah.
flour, not sugar.
Moron.
What did you do?
No. It's meant to be sugar in there, but I put way too much in.
Oh, perfect.
And I've got pastry all over my hand.
Don't touch the camera.
Well done with that.
So, give me a second. So, you messed up in the first bake off with that. Ricky boy.
Benny is just messed up in general.
How much bacon?
But he's friends with us.
Yeah, good point.
He has some sort of excuse.
4 teaspoons
No.
of bacon.
Spoon, boy! Spoon!
Bin!
You ruined.
I ruin everything, don't I?
Yeah, you ruined my life.
Especially your recipes.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah, you guys are
a
horrible.
charming thing to say.
It's fine,
So
don't
much
worry.
sugar in, everyone's gonna die.
I won't die, I'm fine.
Yeah, you'll be fine, everyone else will be dead from diabetes.
Okay.
They're hanging off, I can't.
Thank you.
But still,
And the salt.
I do suddenly need it.
How much salt do I need?
There we go. This is incredibly uncomfortable.
Teaspoon.
This is Master Chef. Amazing.
So, what decorations are you going to put up?
Well, probably just some like.
Salt with.
I mean, you're going to use any of that decorations.
Yeah, top there.
Time for some lard.
I'll try some.
You wanna eat pure lard?
I would happily.
Guys, everyone ate gonna buy a chunk of.
What?
Oh!
Don't
No!
eat it.
He did not.
The intelligence of Aidan Goodself clearly shows that he is more than qualified to judge this very serious competition.
What are you eating, Aidan? Lard! That's what you're eating.
Why did you do that?
The pure essence of happiness.
You're a moron. Yeah, that's horrible.
Well, don't try lard, kids.
Ricky's face.
Ricky's like, no.
I've never had lard.
Stop eating my food!
Oh my
You're doing
word.
the sweet show, man.
What are we doing over here?
I'm melting some chocolate for mystery dish number 2.
That is your catchphrase, isn't it?
It's like really hard though.
Yeah,
Because I have
you want
wibbly hands.
Oh my god, get Parkinson's.
Where did that come from? You drank all of energy drink.
Sorry.
No, that'll do. I'm so confused.
Thank you, Emma.
Jamie, professional advice, does this look like crumbs?
It doesn't look like crumbs, quite funnily enough.
So far, most of the bakers have been able to produce a dish which is suitable for human consumption. Clearly the message didn't reach baker Zach Moon.
Mum is
No shell.
That's a really old joke.
That was good.
I don't know.
Can you open the thing?
Feel free. It's going in the oven. Let's get the action shot.
Ben has been able to chop up some apple and cover it with shop bought pastry with little fuss. Surprisingly, it only took him 40 minutes to do so.
You're gonna like love it then.
Great. I like the fish and chips.
It's just like gonna splat out that hand.
So fish and chips shop over there.
It's the one that.
The bakers are now in the last stressful 10 minutes of the competition. Clearly, the pressure has got too much for some of the bakers.
And you're too late. You give
This one you get psyched.
This is my get psyched.
montage.
No! Yeah. Oh, it technically didn't get the score.
Alright.
4-3. I need 1 point. If you're happy, I just know
fuck
it's
off.
happy.
Really hard.
A French fry.
So you're vegetarian and now you're going vegan?
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to do?
Gluten free.
A French fry to go vegan. So magic.
Well, no, I'll just eat chicken. I love how you cross.
With the baking over, the judges now eagerly await the tasting of the dishes.
So basically, we are here to judge the looks, taste, and texture of the two, however many meals,
Three, I think, yeah.
three
Yeah.
meals that they have cooked for
Although
us.
one we've got Ben with his apple pie. Of course you're giving me some.
Thank you, man.
There's something missing here.
Oh wait, I'll just get Ricky's. I'm sorry, I can't carry 2 things. I'm like,
Well, you should be able to.
yeah, I'm a guy, so I can't.
That is sexist.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Oh, dangerous. Is that raisins?
It's chicken.
I'm gonna have some cream.
Wait, are we meant to put cream over it?
No, if you want to, it doesn't matter.
Oh, let's just try it with
And he starts choking.
God damn it.
Ricky's thinking it's undercooked, it's disgusting, I can see it in his face. Yep.
No, I tried this.
I can taste the apple.
Is it too sweet?
I don't like raisins.
Same.
0.
So we're going to clarify, is the pastry
It's kind of that.
shop or not?
Yeah, it was the pastry was bought from the shop, so he didn't make it himself.
Zach being next.
Are you seriously wanting to try?
Yes,
Yes.
definitely.
There we go then.
Actually want to see
Booties.
it.
Food for you.
Rich
Zach, do you see
CH.
Mmm, tasty.
Can we have some slices?
He needs a spoon.
I need some spoons.
Fucking hell.
This looks like someone vomited a lot of fruit and cream. To good health.
There should be a can down there. You get it.
Down here.
Down.
Can't see one. Down here, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, does this have lard in it?
I believe so.
Oh, found it.
Oh, it's from pigs, I can't eat it.
It is at this point I must remind you of the task brief, where the bakers were asked to create a dish fit for human consumption. Zach Moon has clearly failed, as he has served a dish containing copious amounts of pig fat to a vegetarian.
2 seconds later.
Yeah, I'm gonna regret saying that.
I've lost.
So this is what I want you to judge on.
Ooh, better thing too.
Yeah, but
That is a chocolate and raspberry muffin.
Once again, another poorly executed dish, as this baker's muffins have come out of the oven looking more like pancakes as they have failed to rise.
Everywhere.
If you would like to know how to make any of the dishes that you have seen today in the correct way, please check the description for links.
that was horrible. Oh. I'm still not doing the good.
In all fairness though, Luke does do his cooking.
Yeah, we have to be
Yeah, he
smart.
does.
He's more professional. Wow, what a great surprise! They were all wonderful, weren't they?
Piss off!
But yeah, they were all unique and wonderful in their own special way.
The judges remaining professional as they announce the results of the competition.
With a total of 31.5 points out of 90, is Zachary Moon with the Splatterfest.
It's not called a Splatterfest.
I called it the Splatterfest for a
You
very
can't
good
name
reason.
my own food. You can't name that.
Just be gracious
Don't be
in
sad
defeat.
just 'cause we lost.
I'm not sad, I'm just saying you shouldn't call it a Splatterfest because it wasn't a Splatterfest.
Alright man, sorry.
That's what I look like.
So yeah, we just thought it was a bit too dry and
Not dry.
I know. So Jesus.
Okay,
We're confusing.
Rather predictably.
Because we're weird.
I don't know. Rather
I'm with you, this is
predictably,
great,
in
honest.
first place,
Yeah.
we do have Luke Smith.
Wait, I don't.
and what was his score?
Wait,
66 points out of 90.
you came pretty close though.
4.
No.
Let's just say you were only 3.5 away from Luke. 62.5 was your score.
He's really weird with how he points. But,
Yeah, he awarded 0.5 to, I think, everyone.
apart from, yeah, Luke.
And that concludes this year's annual Bake Off competition. We hope you enjoyed.